Sabi nila, surfing is about the ride. Pero natutunan ko na marami ka palang oras na ginugugol sa paghihintay at pagkadapa. You'll get tired and you'll get wiped out. Akala natin, kailangan natin labanan ng dagat para manalo. But the lesson, don't fight the ocean. Flow with it. Sa buhay, hindi natin kontrolado ang bawat alon na dumarating. Ang kontrolado lang natin ay kung paano tayo tatayo muli. You don't need to master the waves. You just need to trust the one who created them. And then it happens. Everything aligns when you finally stop overthinking and just surrender. Surrender is not giving up. It's letting God take the lead. It's saying, Lord, ikaw na ang bahala. I trust your timing and I trust your waves. Just ride and He got you.